You got hacked. Now what? Cyber attacks can make your skin crawl. Remember that time you opened a spam email or clicked on a link that looked too good to be true? Those can open the door to digital hurt. Businesses rely on technology. More data means more opportunities for hackers. A cyber attack can cripple your operation, financial losses, legal nightmares, reputational damage, but there's hope. Cyber liability insurance. It's a safety net for the digital age, essential like a fire extinguisher in your kitchen. Let's be real for a second. Cyber attacks are expensive, like really expensive. And we're not just talking about the immediate costs of getting your systems back online. Oh no, the damage goes way deeper than that. First, you've got the financial hit. Think stolen funds, lost revenue from downtime, and the cost of restoring your data. And trust me, data recovery is not cheap. It's like trying to put Humpty Dumpty back together again, except Humpty is millions of tiny pieces of customer information scattered across the dark web. But wait, there's more. Don't forget about the legal fees. If customer data is compromised, you can bet your bottom dollar those customers are going to come knocking with lawsuits. And then there are the regulatory fines. Depending on your industry and where you operate, you could be slapped with enough penalties to make your eyes water. And let's not forget about the reputational damage. News of a cyber attack spreads faster than a bad rumor in a small town. Your customers might lose trust in your ability to protect their data, and your brand could be tarnished, potentially for good. So we've established that cyber attacks are bad news, like really bad news. But that's where cyber liability insurance swoops in to save the day, or at least soften the blow. In a nutshell, cyber liability insurance is a type of insurance policy that helps businesses mitigate the costs and risks associated with cyber incidents. It's like having a financial bodyguard for your digital assets, ready to step in and help you pick up the pieces after a cyber attack. Now, you might be thinking, John, this all sounds great, but what does cyber liability insurance actually cover? Well, hold your horses because we're about to break it down for you. Section 4, breaking down the coverage. What does cyber liability insurance actually cover? All right, let's get down to brass tacks. What does cyber liability insurance actually cover? First and foremost, it can help cover the costs associated with a data breach. This includes things like notifying affected individuals because transparency is key, people, providing credit monitoring services to prevent identity theft nightmares, and of course, those pesky legal fees we talked about earlier. But wait, there's more. Cyber liability insurance can also cover the costs of business interruption. Remember how we said cyber attacks can bring your operations to a screeching halt? Well, this coverage can help you recoup lost income and get your business back on its feet. And let's not forget about the regulatory fines and penalties. Depending on your policy, cyber liability insurance can help cover those too, which can be a lifesaver, or at least a bank account saver, depending on the severity of the breach. In short, cyber liability insurance is like a multi-tool for the digital age, providing a range of coverages to help your business navigate the treacherous waters of cybercrime. When hackers attack, your insurance has your back. Imagine you're running a trendy online clothing boutique. You've invested heavily in your brand and customer base. Life is good, but then disaster strikes. Hackers target your website, compromising customer data, credit card numbers, addresses, passwords, it's all compromised. Your worst nightmare has come true, but cyber liability insurance can save the day. It covers costs of notifying customers, credit monitoring, and legal defense. They help restore your data and get your website back online. Cyber liability insurance can be the difference between a minor setback and a catastrophe. Section 6. Key takeaways, protecting your business in the digital age. So there you have it, folks. Cyber liability insurance, it's not just a good idea, it's essential for any business that operates in the digital world. Here are the key takeaways. Cyber attacks are more common than you think, and they can happen to anyone, regardless of your business size or industry. The costs of a cyber attack can be significant, including financial losses, legal fees, regulatory fines, and reputational damage. Cyber liability insurance can help mitigate these costs, providing coverage for a range of cyber incidents, including data breaches, business interruption, and cyber extortion. Don't wait until it's too late. Talk to your insurance broker today about getting cyber liability insurance for your business. Trust me, it's better to be safe than sorry.